Hello sa inyo guys, so welcome back again sa ating video ngayon. Is pag-usapan natin itong simple online shopping platform natin na mayroong free shipping feature, and syempre hindi mo wala yung i-receive feature. So nagparan natin yung website. So once na ganyan yung website, ayan, version 1.0 pa lang yan. And then meron ako nilagay paragraph, made with love, shopping developed by Ashin Productions. So baka mag-check out tayo ng watch. Ayan, check out natin yung watch. To cart pala, and then proceed to check out. So yan, pagka-proceed natin sa check out, kailangan nyo i-fill out yung name. Halimbawa, name nyo is ganyan na lang, and then yung huwag na natin lagyan ng vouchers. Yan, no? Ayan, so, hindi tayo lagay ng voucher, pero may free shipping siya. Ayan, yung shipping 0 pesos dun sa ating watch. Send guys, and then ito yung kanyang i-receive. So yan, so kung meron man kayo natutunan sa ating video ngayon is don't forget to like, share, and subscribe lang guys, and thanks for watching.